wayward winds in a world of trouble and sin. Walked along a crooked mile behind a million ranking fire. Forgot where I came from, somewhere back when I was young. I was a good man's child. So I lost some nameless things, my innocence flew away from me. Shit, had to hide a face from my desire to embrace forbidden fire. But at night I dream she's singing over me. Oh, oh, my child, come on home. Home to me, and I will hold you in my arms, and joyful be there will always be a place for you at my table. Return to me. Wondering where I might begin. Hear her voice on the wind. She's singing faint, but singing true. Son, there ain't nothing you can do but listen close and follow me. I'll take you where you're meant to be. Just don't lose faith. So I put my hand upon the plow, wipe the sweat up from my brow, plant the good seed along the way as I look forward to the day when at last I'll see my father run to me, singing, oh my child, come on home. Home to me, and I will hold you in my arms, and joyful be there will always be a place for you at my table. Return to me, my child. Come on home to me, and I will hold you in my arms, and joyful be there will always be a place for you at my table. At my table. At my table. Return to me.
Ha